Ready for another Tool Tuesday? Well, today we're doing a deep dive in the join tool and key commands. Hi, I'm Christina, and I love to digitally apparel pattern in Adobe Illustrator, creating unique pieces of wearable art. And I love doing it in Illustrator because I can quickly manipulate a sloper or a previous pattern into something brand new in a very short amount of time, throw it up onto my projector or print it out, and get sewing fast. So today, let's bring up Illustrator and start talking about this join tool. The join tool is right here. Depending on when you set up Illustrator, it depends on if it shows up or not. I'm going to move my face just a little bit so you guys can see. If you do not have your join tool on the side, you can always go find it by clicking these three little dots on the side of the that is the left side, the left hand toolbar, and then you can scroll down and find it. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it super fast because, you know, when you're wanting to find stuff fast, you don't always. There it is. Join tool. It's with path eraser tool and smooth tool. It's near those. But if you want to do that, then all you have to do is drag it, click, and drag it over here until it's highlighted, and then you will have it on that sidebar. Now the join tool will join up two anchor points so that you have it. So I'm going to have I'm just going to go ahead and, I don't know why it did that. Are there two points there? No. Well, we're going to cut that one apart then. Okay, it was cut apart, that's why. So, and it's grouped. So we're going to ungroup it. So now I have the center front of my bodice completely removed. What I'm going to do is reflect the pattern across that main axis. So now I have the full bodice on either side, but I can still move each one of these individually from each other, and I don't want that. So if I click this join tool and click and drag up over those points, it should connect them all. I don't want to move it too far because I definitely want to leave my pivot point and notches active on here. But say you don't have it up, and I love my key commands. I use them all the time. If you've seen me draft before, I'm using them constantly. And if you're looking to get the key commands and useful charts for free, definitely check in the description below so that you can grab my useful charts and key commands for patterning in Adobe Illustrator. And what we're going to do is we're now going to cut this apart again so that we know it is in two pieces again. I'm going to leave them nice and close. So instead of grabbing our join key over there, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go into our direct select, and we're going to drag over the 2 points. And then we're going to hit Control-Shift-Alt-J, and it's going to ask us, do you want it to be a corner or a smooth? And I want it smooth. And then that connects the bottom one, so then we're going to do it to the top. Control-Shift-Alt-J, corner or smooth, I want it smooth, and it's connected again, so I can move the entire pattern. And that is a quick deep dive on that join tool. When you are cutting apart patterns, you want to be able to cut them apart, measure, or cut them apart and manipulate different things. But then before you finish your patterns, you always want to make sure that you rejoin them back together. And that tool is essential to be getting those anchor points back together so you have a full and complete pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe so you can see other fun videos on digital apparel patterning, and make sure you go check out the full series of the deep dive of the tools so you can learn these tools really well, get the key commands, see how they're used, and get patterning faster in Adobe Illustrator. Happy patterning!